so committed. You have to make good decisions. You have to believe in yourself, you know, and really trust, you know, your heart. And it's really important to talk to your stores, your customers, you know, because
say that again.
And you must believe in yourself. If you don't believe in yourself, too much time is gonna pass. So be confident with your decisions. You know, the heart is usually right, you know, but you can't lose sight of the commercial aspect. So you still have to talk to, you know, who your target market is, you know, who your target retailers are. You know, I want a product, you know, okay, I want to make a couture gown. Okay, let me go to the couture gown store and let me brainstorm with the buyer. Let me brainstorm with the owner. And let me hear what the market needs. Because I could be doing a gown with a plunging neckline and the trend is everybody wants it covered, you know, or... Season. Okay, you list the styles, all the fabrics that we're going to be using, all the trims we're going to be using. I was showing you how this is the print chart, so all the prints that we're going to be using and how each print is engineered for each unique style. And the styles by delivery, so let's say that's delivery 1, delivery 2, and then let's say we go to the colors, so the factory knows what colors and what fabrics we're using. If there's stitch callouts, what style number gets what stitch color, and then the trim package, your main label.
What is the job occupation for somebody that puts this together?
Tech design.
A tech designer?
A tech designer.
Okay.
You know, and then the label, and then you've got the start of a style. So this is like the designer will illustrate the skirt, the tech department will take the sample when the final prototype is made, and they will do all the call outs. If it's a reverse cover stitch, a single needle, double, whatever it is, and call that out so the factory has it. We use a size small as our sample size, so we fit our size small sample, approve the fit, and then we do the colorways, how many unique colors come in a garment, and then we'll do the cutter's must, right? So your main fabric, your combinations, the colors, and then a BOM. This is what production uses to buy the fabric, so this is the style number, and again, it's another variation of a cutter's must, but just in a different format for production. Label placements, and then grading. And so we need to grade it properly so that the factory can cost it properly. So you have to have the proper grade rule. Grade rules are super important. And week 2, week 3, all the way to the end. So it's grayed out up until where we are now. And if I look over here, so what we've done is we've already picked our Pantones, we've determined color, we've determined month. We have a new collection month. For tennis only, golf is another 15, kids is another dozen, and so we have about...
And you guys follow the samples here. Thank you, Lucky Love, for having us here.
You are going to be so lucky now. All right, good luck.